Let's make mini Nutella cheesecakes. They're super easy and they're so chocolatey. Mix together crushed digestive biscuits with melted butter. Then press them into 9 cupcake cases. In a large bowl, whisk double cream to stiff peas. Then whisk together cream cheese, icing sugar, and Nutella until smooth. Fold in the whipped cream, then scoop the mix onto your bases and smooth it out evenly. Pop these in the fridge to set. Now we're making an amazing Nutella chocolate ganache with just dark chocolate, Nutella, and double cream. Microwave these, then stir gently until they come together. Let it cool slightly, then smooth it over the top of the cheesecake. Pop the remaining ganache in the fridge to firm up until it's pipeable. Pipe a big swirl onto your cheesecakes and they're ready to serve. They're so creamy with an amazing chocolatey hazelnut taste. Enjoy!